Welcome ladies and gentlemen to another tutorial from Airfry Cookery. Today we're not going to be using the air fryer, we're going to be using the microwave. I recently saw a video of somebody making an omelette in the microwave using just eggs and mayonnaise. I actually thought to myself, no, that's just all kinds of wrong. So I did try it, and probably the best omelette I've ever tasted. I don't know how it works, it just works. It's probably one of the best omelettes I've ever tasted, in all fairness. Let's show you how it's done. So first of all, you obviously break up an egg. Now, the tutorial I saw, she only used one egg. I'm going to use two. There we go. And then basically you just put in your mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is just basically just eggs with oil. So then you just beat it together until it naturally combines. As you can see, it's combining. So we'll just whisk that up, beat it up. There we go. And the best thing about this is there's no other ingredients in this. No salt, no pepper, just plain as it is right now. We're going to put it in the microwave. We're going to put it in the microwave to start with 50 seconds. I've added a further 30 seconds because obviously I've got two eggs. That's 50 seconds and another 30. So that's 1 minute and 20 so far. So a total of 1 minute 20 seconds. You can see how much it has risen in there. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's bring it down and show you what it looks like. Sorry about the shadows on here, guys. Yeah. This is absolutely stunning. As you can see how light and fluffy this omelette is. I don't know how it works, I just know that it works. We should sprinkle on a little bit of cheese. This is just normal cheddar. And I like to top mine off with a little bit of spring onion. Look at that. Now we're going for the taste test. I mean, it's so light, fluffy and creamy. I don't know how it works. I just know that it works. So let's try. It tastes so good. This should not taste that good, but it does. And honestly, 2 ingredients, start to finish, 1 minute and 20 in the microwave. Come on. A+ all the way. A+ all the way. Absolute genius whoever thought of this. Please give it a go. It will absolutely change the way you make omelettes for the rest of your life. For the best omelette you'll ever taste. Please, I urge you to try it. So that is it for today, guys. If you did enjoy the video content, please give us a thumbs up. And if you did like what you see, please consider clicking subscribe down below. Any comments, shout outs, any hints, tips, anything you'd like me to make, just comment down below as well. And until the next one, keep on cooking.